Good morning, everyone. It's December 11th. I know it's been quite some time since I've made a video, but I'm going to attempt to make one today, so hopefully you enjoy. And I'm just going to show you some of the cows and a little bit of what's been going on. So yeah. So right now, with it being December, the cows have been spending a lot of time in the barn. They have gone out a couple times, like on a warm afternoon, but for the majority, they're spending their time in the barn. This is Sweet Caroline. She was born October 9th, maybe? Yeah, something like that. She's a spunky little girl. This is Antoinette. She was born end of November. Down here we have Sapphire, who was also born end of November. Same night as Antoinette, actually. Sapphire, I actually am hopefully selling today. We have got an abundance of heifers, so I'm trying to sell off some of them, clear up some room, but more so make fewer heifers eating the food down as they're going through a lot of hay. This is Dottie. She was born just the other night. She's the newest baby. She's Tabitha's little girl. This is Harvey. He's the only little bull calf we have right now. He's got to go up for sale pretty soon too. He's Patty's boy. I had 7 cows due this month. I have 3 more left to calve. So Tulip was due on Saturday. She is yet to calve, but she is 1 more that has to calve. Suzanne is due this month as well, but she's not due till the very end of the month, so I'm not worried about her yet. I guess I actually have 4 left because Maggie is also due tomorrow, I think. And then I believe Joybell was due yesterday. Back earlier this year, I got in touch with a Jersey rep from the U.S. Jersey Association, and I was asking her about getting some of my animals on a genetic recovery program. Many years ago, all of the Jerseys were registered on the farm when my grandpa was still on the farm, but my dad hadn't really kept up with them, so none of our cows are registered. So I got in touch with her, and so now all of my new calves I'm trying to put on the recovery program. I have a few that are full registered. So basically you have to do a generation count. So you have to know your sires, and birthdays are important too. So you go back, like let's say I knew her sire, but her mother wasn't registered. So she would be a first generation count. And then if you keep using registered bulls when breeding, once you get up to a 4th generation count, then they're considered full registered. So Sweet Caroline is a 3rd generation count. So she's recorded with the Jersey Association, but she's not full registered. But as long as I use a registered bull on her when she's older, her calf will be fully registerable, if that makes any sense. So with doing the registrations, I've also gotten some custom ear tags done, because you're either supposed to have a tattoo in their ear or a Jersey tag in both ears, or you could just do an RFID tag in one ear, but I do the Jersey tags in both ears. So it actually has the farm name of Oregon Echoes on the tag, and then a number, and then I just write in their name when they're born. So yeah, it's been interesting and kind of fun. I have also been the one in charge of choosing bulls and doing matings since last August. So all of the calves being born now are my matings, which is kind of fun too, because I can see if I've seemingly improved the type at all from the mother. So it's kind of fun looking at bull proofs and deciding who I want to use and on which cows and stuff. And trying to make improvements. Especially now that I've been showing some at the county fair. My favorite cow, Pickles, was confirmed pregnant the other day by the vet. So she'll be due in July, which is pretty exciting. Pickles doesn't like to get pregnant very easily, so it's exciting when she finally does. Because it's never good when your favorite cow doesn't want to get pregnant. And then around a month ago, my dad and I built this little outdoor yard for Bessie, Jessie, and Spinster. And then I might put Agnes out here too. But they're back here right now. I just gave them their grain. I gotta give them some hay and put some more bedding in here. But that's where 3 of them are. There's a pile of heifers out there too. I think there are a dozen of them. So as you can see, we have a lot of heifers. And then that's not even all of them, because there's a group out there. 9 of those heifers are pregnant though, so there are some good replacements. I got these girls some bedding, so now I gotta go try to find them a small square bale for hay, and then I gotta bring some hot water out here to pour on their little bit of frozen water they have left. And for anyone who's curious, that old cow is still wandering around out back. Mom, Zermoo! Mom! Mom! Yeah, she's still going. Let's see if there are any bales that are actually still intact back here. Probably not. Not looking like it. I'll just have to grab a chunk. Oh well. This one's sort of still intact. Mom comes back here and eats off the back of the wagon, so that's probably somewhat why they're so broken open.